Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today is the second day of attempting to decorate this room and make it look beautiful. This little item here that is all bubble wrapped in that green, that is an office desk that I've bought from Masterplank UK on Etsy, and they do so many gorgeous kind of rusticy feel wooden house pieces like shelves and desks and hall tables and everything, and I want all of the range. But I decided to get the desk because I really wanted something looking wooden and expensive and good solid piece of furniture, you know, so I bought that desk. And then they have actually gifted me some shelves. So I've actually already unpackaged these and they're super, super heavy. Proper good chunky pieces of wood. I've got some lovely brackets to go on them as well, which they included. So little hairpin kind of brackets, and they are going to look beautiful. It's just the challenge of me actually being able to put shelves up. As you probably saw in a previous video where we did Jim's office room, that was us kind of putting shelves up for the first time using a drill. I have actually since bought my own drill, so we'll see how I get on with that as well. I feel like I can do it now. I feel like I can do shelves, so yeah, there's gonna be shelves everywhere if I can put them up properly. But anyway, so we'll give that a go at some point. Now, these shelves I've actually ordered in the antique oak kind of look, and this is the same colour as the desk, but I actually already have a very long shelf, which you may see leaning up against there, from Lava Doot. I'm going to put above the desk, and these I'm actually unsure where to put them. It was so frustrating, so I got them and then I thought, right, they're gonna go in this room, funnily enough, right on this wall here, and then there's a plug socket underneath, and then I wanted to put them on the wall over there, and there's a plug socket underneath, and everywhere in my house that I wanted to put them, plug sockets. And I am very unsure about making sure that I'm not going to drill through some wires, so I've had to kind of reassess where I'm going to put them, and I've actually decided I'm going to put them in my hallway. And this wall is a solid wall, no plug sockets underneath, so I think I'm going to be safe. But stay tuned. I'm gonna lift it out. Oh, I thought it was. Okay, this is insane. It looks so good. Oh, good. Yes! Wow. Yeah, that's perfect. Just what I wanted it to look like. Okay, right. I'm not leaving anything. Just reinforcement. Always packaging is on the corners so that you don't, the corners don't get damaged in transit. And this rug is a new rug that I purchased from Lava Doot. Absolutely beautiful. They had a sale going on and I thought, what the hell? I want a nice rug. Quicker than IKEA furniture. That looks so easy to put together. So they've lined up the holes already. They have pre-drilled small holes for me. So it's all in position, so I don't have to like measure or decide where it goes at all. So I think that's amazing. I cannot wait to get my iMac set up on this desk. I have chosen the right fit for this. So hopefully that should work. And I've provided me with the screws, so yeah, let's do this. Yep, that's definitely a desk. That is beautiful. That is so nice. I absolutely love it. Masterplank? Yes. You did good. So nice. Beautiful. The reason why there is this random shadow type paint on here is because I painted the wall in natural Hessian, which I love, but I was thinking about doing some colour blocking along here. Now that's Egyptian cotton against natural Hessian, which is just makes it look like a shadow. It's very, very strange, but we thought it might be an interesting thing to do, to kind of do that just behind the desk area, and then obviously do different shades above. I really don't know yet, so that's just me practicing, so ignore that, but oh, I'm in love with this desk. It's perfect. Okay, so me and Jim have had a little chat, and my original plan was to hang this lavadoute shelf up here. I like saying that, lavadoute. Surprisingly, it's very light. It's obviously hollow inside. Now that was going to go there, but I'm actually unsure about the match with the colour of the desk, of whether that actually looks good. So maybe I'll have to put this somewhere else in the house, Jim. Is that okay, the lounge? So instead, I'm thinking actually it probably would be better to put the matching shelves up above it. I'm just a little bit scared of them falling on my Mac because they're so heavy, which is great, but not with my DIY skills, it's not. So, because this wall is hollow, I'm a little bit concerned because I presume it's plasterboard of some kind. A little bit concerned of how I'm going to hang heavy shelves from here. So I have bought these two different sets of screws, apparently for plasterboards. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to choose. Never done this before, but we shall see whether those can secure these shelves to the wall. What's the worst that can happen, Jim?
Terrible things. I mean, nothing.
Thank you. So I only have masking tape, but you know, do the job, I think, just to help me hold it where I want them. Hello. I have enlisted Jim's help.
Hello.
You accepted the challenge, didn't you?
And the false pretenses.
What was the false pretense I gave you?
I thought I was going to be like watching from a distance.
Why would I need your help to do that? I've got these people watching from a distance. I don't need you there as well.
Rude.
I want you to get stuck in. Right, Jim, I brought my Mac in to observe how high I'd like a shelf.
Mac.
Can you hold them?
Are you sticking them together?
Yes or not? No. Yes or no?
I think it might look better.
Yeah!
Oh, hello.
Okay, right. So the masking tape thing didn't work. But let's just plot out where it's going. That's fine. Let's just plot a height. It's getting wrong already. Do you reckon apart?
Yeah, I think that looks better.
Right, Jim.
Right, what?
Right, okay, let's Oh, are you happy with the position of the desk? Because I lined it up with like the window. I lined it up to be in the centre of the window. Is that in the centre of the window? Yes, because I can sit here and I can see the window directly behind me and it's perfect, so nice. Correct. Do we want to have plants on?
Plants?
Plants! I said plants!
Plants!
I said plants!
It's like you said plants.
Definitely said plants.
We're going to have some plants on there.
I like that, because you don't want it too high, because then if you put something on it, it'll be too high, it'll be hitting the ceiling.
That's what too high means.
And you don't want it too low, because, you know, it'll be too... Right, stay right there.
Oh.
Okay, don't move.
Don't like this game.
Don't move. I need to get the ruler from the garage. No, which has the spirit level on it.
Is there any way you can mark this, just so I can put it down? Oh, there you go.
Ah! No, there isn't. Put it down. That's nice. I like that. Yeah.
And there it shall be.
Don't move. Don't move. Ah! Have you moved it? Why have you moved it?
It's not on purpose.
What have you done?
What have I done?
Stay put.
Don't move. Stay put. Oh my God. You tell me not to move all the time.
I now need you to take away that, but keep these on the wall. So can you take away the shelf?
This thing is taped to it.
Yeah, no, just take it away. It's okay.
What are you laughing at?
That's not level. The holes are completely different. Yeah, cool, fab, let's do it. It says self-drill. It does self-drill, right, okay. Oh, okay, I went a bit too far. It went in really quickly. Oh my god. Help. Don't know what I'm doing. Don't mind the crumbling wall. This one's not working.
Do they give it like a beam or something?
I think so. Yeah, that's not working. Okay. Oh, sugar. It's all fine. We're going to just try and screw this to the wall. Oh. Well, that's satisfying. No, it looks messy, but how secure is that? You know?
Pretty good.
Okay. We're good. They feel secure. They feel very secure. Are you ready for this? Now I'm scared of my markdown. Oh yes, I can do this.
Yeah, do you need to hold it or anything?
No, I'm okay. Oh my god, I put a shelf up and that is so secure. That is actually perfect. Woo! I did it! Isn't that good?
Well done.
Yes! I'm so happy. These are my new favourite wall plugs, by the way. Well, there is my finished room for now anyway. I do have to still replace the wardrobe because that is pretty much half broken. It was a wardrobe from Argos and the drawers really have not lasted very well. So I'm going to get a decent IKEA wardrobe across that stretch of the room at the back. I am due to hopefully get a new lampshade at some point and a couple of side lamps, or at least one side lamp. But everything for now I'm really happy with. What a difference this desk has made to the room, and what a difference these shelves have made. Absolutely just the perfect match. They're so beautiful. I'm so happy that I've chosen this beautiful antique oak shade. I think it creates such a nice light airy feel in this room. So fresh and so bright in here, and it's just what I was after really. I just wanted this room to be so much cleaner and neater and just less clutter, and I think I've managed to do that. Yeah, really neatening up the desk area and making it just so I just feel so much more relaxed to sit down in. Funnily enough, the day after I put all this up together, I did my car insurance sat at this computer desk, and what a beautiful experience it was, because it was just made so much less stressful by being in such a nice environment. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you to Masterplank for gifting me these shelves. I'm so happy with them. I can't wait to hopefully one day in the future get more of their products, because I am very happy with the quality and the look of these shelves and this desk. So if you're looking for something, have a look in my description. I have put their link to their website in my description box. Stay tuned to see more stuff like this from me. Thank you so much for watching again, and please subscribe if you did enjoy, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.